Good evening, friends. Amaya here. So, Nifty's close today 576 is similar to yesterday's close of 574, which was similar to day before yesterday's close of 582. So, only Reliance is the stock which is being manipulated here, and you can see the move it showed. This is the daily chart, but if you can see the hourly move, see here how it was picked up. Here around 2:15, so it was slightly in red during the day, and suddenly it was picked up out of nowhere, while rest of the major stocks were kind of weak only. So this pattern on Nifty on daily charts is kind of similar to what I have observed in January 21, right? Although 1000 points away, but the pattern is similar: 563, 564, 595. Then there is a gap up, and which is massively sold into. If you see here, the gap up here 14th of Jan, the gap up was 617. Here also the gap up was 617, and it got sold into. So tomorrow we can see the same price pattern, gap up near 597, 600, and so today's high is 597. So tomorrow we can see a gap up near 597 and a slight built up till 620, 621. After that we expect a very good sell off. So the price action analysis, if we just take a look, Nifty continues to remain extremely weak because of the closing. So today it was highly manipulated, the reason being Reliance stock being pulled up, and Bank Nifty, you must have seen yesterday the PCR was 0.69 and today's PCR is 0.72. So only slight change is there. Even on Nifty there is marginal change. So positioning of the market has not changed. Positioning of the market participants, the price action analysis has not changed. It is exactly the same. So Nifty remains vulnerable to sell-offs, and pretty quick sell-offs. So tomorrow being an expiry, we can expect pretty good sell-off in Nifty if there is a gap up, and then that sell-off should actually accentuate below today's low of 459. Another important level here is previous week's close. It is 435. So this 435 is very important, and today you must have observed that Nifty pulled back from our level of 460. Our level was 469, and it pulled back from 466, 467. There was a massive pullback from here. So our put option trade worked brilliantly here, but nobody expected that this market will go up from 466 to almost 597. That happened because of Reliance and not across the board buying in the major stocks. So this was pure play manipulation, and if somebody would have bought a call option here, it was a speculative trade which indeed worked well. So on a strategic basis, the put option buying as soon as the market opened, it did work. So tomorrow same strategy will go ahead with. If there is a gap up, we buy a put if there is a build up of gap up till around 620 625, we'll add to our puts, and we expect a almost 170 180 point sell off from that level. So this continues to remain our strategy for tomorrow. Let's take a look at global markets. So global markets are extremely strong. Yesterday we have observed how Dow was around 250 points up, and then there was a sell off, and today it is 100 point up. And if you observe this SGX Nifty, it is already at fresh life high. So this parameter actually is never part of our price action analysis, and we'll continue to bank on our Nifty price action analysis. So Nifty price action analysis clearly says that nothing has changed for the past 2 days, and if there is any kind of strength in the market, we are supposed to short this trend. This remains our strategy even for tomorrow. So if there is a gap up till today's high is 597, and if it builds up to 620 625 630, we will buy a put there, and stop loss will be the flash life high of 560. So if you buy a put at 600 620 and market continues to go up, and on 15-minute closing basis, if it closes beyond 660, then we kind of book loss and exit that put. So this is the clear strategy here. And if there is a dip, and the dip can be, as I said, till today's low, that is 459, or previous week's close, that is 435. So when it comes there, we'll see if there is a breakdown. If there is a breakdown, we continue with our puts. If there is a support, we take a speculative call option trade, like the way it happened today. If you had taken a speculative call option trade, it actually worked wonders compared to the strategic put trade. So strategic put trade actually went up from 1890 to say 15,600 put. It went up from 1890 to 140, and the strategic call option trade actually more than doubled, tripled. So this continues to be our strategy. Let's take a look here. So this so about 1890 it was available, and if you buy it here, it goes till 145, and then you kind of book, because the level 469, our level of 469, it took a support there. On the contrary, if you had bought a speculative call option, 15,500, so around 40 45 41 40 42, it actually almost tripled till 115 flash high. So the speculative trade actually gave a better return versus the strategic trade. But so is the market for the past almost 5 weeks, 6 weeks, entire month of May and this first week of June. The market has been extremely tricky, and if you see from stocks perspective, which stocks goes up, which stock goes down, nobody can predict. This ITC post result yesterday, everybody was talking good on FMCG business, agri business and all that. Cigarette volumes were good, 7-8%, everything was fine. Dividend final and interim, if you add them, some 10 more than 10 rupees dividend was there. So everything was looking good, but one important thing people ignored, which I had clearly mentioned in yesterday's video, is that the cigarette margin actually came down 400 basis points, that is 4 percentage points. So ITC actually ended at day low, almost 3% down. Day low is 20860 and the settlement is 209. So ITC actually collapsed. So which stock will go up, which stock will go down? Like this Reliance is pulled up based on the annual report update that they have tested 5G technology along with Qualcomm, and some 1 Gbps speed they have tested and all that stuff. So this manipulation will continue to go on, but from the Nifty perspective, short the gap up continues to remain our strategy with an immediate target of 435, and once 435 is gone, we will look for our golden level of 269. Thank you very much.